Welcome to the product demonstration for OperationsCommander. This presentation will cover general operations. 20 years. Here are a few milestones. Most notably is the addition of license plate recognition technology in 2016. We are now on a continuous release schedule. Our current focus is updating some system modules to take advantage of technological advancements. And we are also working on Software as a Service Lite version of OPSCOM. We are secure, with bank-level security and PCI compliance. All systems are monitored and scanned regularly. All user interaction is role-based so that users and admins only see what they are supposed to see. Audit logs offer the ability to unroll and investigate any transaction or interactions. There are two main system interfaces that are used to allow different ways in which data gets into and out of our system. Standard web-based, which includes the admin portal, where system admins will do most of their work, and the user web portal, where parkers will be able to interact with OPSCOM from a PC, mobile, or tablet device. Advanced or hardware-based interfaces includes the Android handheld used in enforcement, where you can query user data and store violation details. Third-party software accessing our data APIs allow for integrating processes such as pushing client profile, parking, or vehicle details into the system. Some examples include a client in BCE that has a homegrown solution that pushes data into our system. Some schools push student information. And we have several clients with Calais or T2 machines pushing and pulling parking records.
Thanks for checking out this short user portal video. Let me show you just how easy it is for a customer to get started on an OperationsCommander install. With 5 easy questions, your customers can be registered on your highly brandable website that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. With a few more answers typed in, they will have a registered vehicle saved to their profile. And once those details are in the system, your customers can now buy permits using a PCI-compliant portal that puts all of the money directly into your bank account. Your customers can also review any parking violations with attached photos and GPS location. And lastly, they can appeal those violations entirely within the platform. Once set up, your customers can do almost all the work themselves. Thanks for watching.